Here's how you can add clickable link in Instagram Reels. So first of all, let's start by opening up our Instagram and tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Tap on the reel and select that particular video that you want to go with as a reel. Once you have selected that, you just have to tap on next on the top right and tap on next again, and in the caption you have to add that particular link. But remember, Instagram doesn't have that feature like other social media platform like Facebook or any other application where you can click the link and this will take you to that particular link origin. So unfortunately you have to simply paste that particular link either in your bio, which is the main attraction. You have to simply write a caption that you can visit the bio for a clickable link, or you can visit the bio for that particular product or any other social media platform. So right now in Instagram there is no such an option. Unfortunately, you have to simply use or ask your audience to go to the bio every time you want to do this process. So hope this helped. This is how you can add clickable link in Instagram. So make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.